ChatGPT helps teachers plan lessons, build rubrics. Open ChatGPT in Chrome. We're already signed in at chat.com. Start with lesson planning. Ask for a full week with objectives and homework. Try create a week-long Civil War lesson plan for 8th grade. ChatGPT drafts daily activities you can edit to fit your classroom. Next, build rubrics with clear criteria and scoring scales. Ask for a persuasive essay rubric with a 4-point scale. Get consistent grading standards for any assignment type. Explain concepts at your students' level before you teach. Ask for a simple analogy, like Newton's first law for 6th graders. ChatGPT gives classroom-ready language and demo ideas. Generate quizzes and formative checks in seconds. Ask for 10 multiple-choice questions on the water cycle with an answer key. Perfect for quick reviews before a unit test. Finally, draft constructive grading feedback for student work. Ask for strengths, one growth area, and an encouraging tone. ChatGPT saves time. You still review every comment before sharing. Teach smarter with ChatGPT. Plan faster, stay in control.